Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hushiar. This internet network is configured as dual stack with both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. In the first part of it, we are going to demonstrate how to remote access to switch 2 and router 2 using Telnet and SSH respectively. Switch 2 is configured for Telnet access and router 2 is configured for SSH access. On router 2 for SSH access, we had to configure a domain, encryption key, and a username. Otherwise, it was not possible to remote access to it using SSH. First, I'm going to remote access to switch 2 using Telnet from this PC called PC2. I click on it, I go to the command prompt and I type telnet 192.168.2.253, which is the IPv4 address that I have assigned to VLAN 1 of switch 2. Without assigning an IP address to the switch, you cannot telnet to it. Press enter. I'm going to be prompted for the password. The password that I configured for Telnet access to switch 2 is tel-pass. When you type it, you don't see it. As you can see, the prompt changed to S2, which means I'm in user mode of the switch 2. I'm going to exit. Now I'm going to remote access to router 2 using SSH. The command is SSH space dash lowercase l space. The name of the user that I have created is admin space, followed by either IPv4 or IPv6 address of the router. Any of the IPv4 or IPv6 addresses that I have configured on router would work. I'm going to use IPv6, which is 2001:db12:2. Press enter. I'll be prompted for the secret that I have created for SSH connection. It is SSH-sec. As you notice, I'm accessing the user mode of the router 2. That's how you remote access to a switch and a router using SSH and Telnet. In part 2 of this activity, I'm going to demonstrate how to configure router 1 for SSH access and switch 1 for Telnet access. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.